Hi there. Today I will go over compile and runtime dependency using some example code, and we are going to refactor it to runtime dependency. How can we do that? So we have this code over here, and we will be writing later on in detail. Just to show you, we have a document class which has two member variables, string, both of them, title and content. This is a default constructor if you don't provide anything. And we have two functions, convert to comma separated values. And this will print out this converting. And then later on, we have one class we are going to write this convert CSV. It will take the data over here, title and content, and convert it into comma separated values. So it's simple, just name and content will be comma separated. The other one is this XML language, extensible markup language. So converting that one, we have another class for that. These are, for now, it's good. We just have this, two simple conversion and two functions. But later on, the request comes to this one, like we would like to convert the JSON format. So we would like to convert into other different formats or plain text. How are we going to do that? So are we going to create another function like this, and then 3, 4 functions and some other functions? So this will become a difficult, and this document is going to be changed all the time. And we don't want this to happen because currently we have compile time dependency. We would like to disconnect this converting engine, whatever you say, convert XML and convert CSV, and would like to this document doesn't need to know any of them. Currently it needs it. If you don't have this convert CSV, you cannot compile this document, but we will make it in such a way later on we don't need any of these things, and we will runtime plugin whichever we want in the main function. Okay, in the main. Main is the client code. Main is not your code, which is the client, so client can do anything. It is not compile time dependency anymore. So I'm gonna open my Eclipse, which is already up here. Let's make this full screen and create a new project together. And let's say this is document writer. Okay. And here we are, and we need to create a new class. And just a second, I have the code so we don't lose time, right? So here is the document. I'm gonna just paste over here. So everything is here. Let me get rid of this. If we want to do JSON and later on the PDF, all different things, we don't want this to happen. So we don't like this. And we currently have convert CSV and convert XML. Let me get those files for you, which is very simple. And I'm gonna, this has needing a package. I don't want to put this one package, so it will be happy here. And let me move this to document. Nice. I have here too. Let me delete this guy. This is gone. Nice. I'm gonna paste something here. Convert XML, and let's move this to the side. You will see the convert XML dependency is gone because we have compiled the dependency. As you see, it is catching it before running. So the other one is convert CSV, right? You see this one. Let's get that one also. Now you see our document class is so happy, and because it has both ingredients, whatever it needs. Okay, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to move this to the side over here if possible. So we have now compile time dependency. Let's try to move this to the runtime dependency. In order to do that, let's try to understand the current class diagram, the relationship we have. What are we using now currently? Okay, this is rough diagram. We have this document class. Let's say this is the document class, and we have convert XML. Let's make this red. This is convert XML class, and the other one, what we have, convert CSV, right? Let's make it green. The other one, convert green. This one. So what do we have? It has a relationship. So we have direct dependency between these two. so they need each other in order to compile. So we would like this is okay, but we would like to disconnect this dependency. So we don't want any of these things to compile time. So we want to make this guy free. So for that we are going to move from here. If my screen is big enough, I'd like to draw the new one. So let's add. I'm going to just create a new one, and after this orange line, okay, I try to make it straight, but I guess I cannot make that much. So this is our class currently. We are going to basically apply strategy design pattern, but we don't need to know all this technical name right now. So we would like to create one new interface. So this interface keyword we have seen before, this will depend on this one, but interface dependency we show in what we show it a little bit with dashes, dashed arrow, okay, not like straight. And if you want to use the proper one, so I'm going to erase this. This is dashed arrow. We depend on this one. This means we are not getting anything, actually, just the name of the interface. So we can say this convert interface if you want, just name it convert. We are going to create this interface, and later on these two classes that we have, which is, you remember, one of them is convert xml. If you want, we can name it over here, convert xml. Here we go. And this is convert csv. There we go. Let's name them. Document is here. Here we go, document, and here is our document again. There we go. These are that one, and we would like to have this convert xml. I need to have square right. So get this one. So put over here, this here, and create this green one over. Oh, not this one. I want the red, but when I need to click somewhere. So another one, this red one, and we would like to use now is a relationship. So how am I gonna do that? Let me try to have some thicker one and use this blue or this one. So we would like both of them is going to implement this interface. And when you are implementing interface, you can use solid arrow, doesn't matter, or you can use dashed arrow, that's okay. So to put the name on them, convert XML is this one, and the other one is convert CSV, which is this one. Okay, so now convert XML is a convert, and convert CSV is convertible is also maybe converter also could be better name, but just for now we can rename it later on. So document will have that one, and we break the dependency. If you follow the arrow, you can go here, but you cannot go there because there is no directing arrow here. So you can memorize like this, and we will break the dependency. Let's go and implement this one, okay? So we are going to implement this on the right side here on our chart. So what's my plan is to just create one interface. Let's say converter. That's it. This is an interface, create. Here is the converter. Let me put this to this side. Get rid of this one. Converter is here. You would like to have this signature. You may say, why do you get that signature? If you look at the CSV and maybe XML, both takes over here also you can see just title and content. So this is a good design. I like this. So I'm going to copy this one. I don't need the public part, but that's okay to have. You can remove this because interface everything is by default public. And we have now convert function here, which has no implementation. As you see, there is no curly brackets. And what are we going to do is we will say this will implement, not extend, because nothing to extend from converter. Okay, so it's not going to cry because we use the same signature. You can use override to make sure you are doing everything all right. If override is not happy, so this is not happy. Oh yeah, this is, let me see, must override or implement super type method. Okay, I'm gonna remove this for now. Sorry for that. This implements converter. So let's go back to the CSV. Here we go. I'm going to also say implements, and this will be converter again. I'll come back to that problem why it didn't like it because of this interface. Nothing to overwrite, right? Nothing to extend. So here we go. This is cool. So what is my intention here is to change this document to break this dependency. So we can do this way. Either we can create one convert function for this one, this in the document, or we can set the engine, whatever the engine we want to do that. But we can decide on that, whichever is easy for us to do. So if you want, we can create one public for this one, public void, the same one, convert, and we will give the engine like converter, what converter we want, and converter gonna be whatever it is. So converter, this one, and this will do the part what we are going to do over here, like that. And this time I'm not going to have any of these things. It will just use converter to convert because all of them has the same signature. Converting this converting desired type, you want to say desired file format. Okay, there we go. These are all set. And you may say you didn't have any main function to test this one, right? So if you want to, let me show you the first initial before this one. We can have this test one. In order to convert, we use convert to, let me move this to the side. You can see. Yeah, I will close this one, save. Oh, that was the reason maybe we didn't save, right? I am a little bit stuck there. Alright. Yes, I didn't save it. That's why it was happening. This converter, we didn't save it. That's why. I am so sorry. I didn't notice that. Sometimes this happens, right? I don't want to re-record this video. So let's say before this one, I was using this convert to CSV and convert to XML like this. And when we run this one, let's run it. So you will see converting the CSV, no title, no content. This is comma separated. Converting the XML, no title, and then we have these tags already. Good, nice. This guy is doing its own part. This is cool. Let's close this. And now we were working on this one, right? Convert this one, and we pass the converter. So I will get rid of all these functions, and with commenting out this one, I couldn't do that. I'm gonna comment out. Okay. So do we have easy command, add block command? Okay, these are all gone. So this, except this converter, we don't have any function. If you look at, these are just commented out code. No need any of them for now, but just keeping it there for us to see. So how is our going to, this is going to change? Whatever the engine I want to use, this convert XML, this is client code, okay? Main function is always client code. This is not part of your code because you deliver this document and this convert CSV, all these files, and client will use it whatever the way they want it. So there is no compile time dependency now. Document can be stand alone without needing any of these converter. So I'm going to just comment out this one for us to, as a reference, keep it there. So I will create this again, convert whatever the convert XML, and give me this instance new convert XML, and this is a converter, right? So, and this is a relationship I'm going to use. So I can say story dot convert, and convert XML comes there. So when I do this, it will automatically convert to XML. Let's run this now. So it is converting to XML. If I want to change this not to XML, and I would like to create two other one, let's create this convert CSV. Convert CSV, control space, equal to new convert, yes, convert CSV, semicolon, and story dot convert, yes, convert CSV. There we go. So I'm now going to use this convert CSV as an engine. There's the second time. You will see a couple of more lines coming. Run, and you will see now we are converting to desired type, which is this one, comma separated one. So all is cool. And desired file type, I should say. Okay, run now. Desired file type. This is cool. So you see, we break the dependency between this document. It depends on what? Only this interface now, and it doesn't need to know the rest. And automatically we can pass any of them. This is fantastic. So I just wanted to show you, if I want to, for example, without modifying this a bit, any character, I can convert to PDF if I wanted to, or JSON, right? So I'm gonna create just a new class. Let's make up the name convert PDF, and there we go. Here is the convert PDF. I will implement this converter interface. Implement converter interface. So I have an implemented method. So add this one, here we go. And then just make up some thing. I don't need to do real thing. I will just put this one and converting, this is title and content. I'm gonna just put in front of it like PDF. So this is as if PDF. So we are not gonna do real thing. So now you see there's no dependency between convert PDF and this document. They are not aware of each other. But now in the main, which is this main function means our client, and he's going to create convert PDF. There we go. Convert PDF equal to new convert PDF. There we go. And story dot convert PDF. There we go. So I will hit enter and try to run this directly through here. And as you can see, I am converting to PDF. All is well. So I break the compile time dependency. There's one direct dependency. Now I have indirect dependency, and the document doesn't know any of them. And I gracefully edit without any pain any other things like convert to PDF. I can add convert to JSON. I can add anything I want to here as long as I have this connection implementing this interface. So I should be fine. And then document doesn't need to know anything about any of these classes. So it's extensible, easy to maintain. This is compile time dependency. This guy cannot be compiled without this, but this is fantastic. So yeah, I know listening this kind of code and watching them is not easy, but at the end you feel the reward. Thank you for watching.